In this video, I'll show you how to make text bigger or smaller on Windows 11. It's going to be a tutorial video on how you can change your font size, right? Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. At first, click on this, right? Once you have clicked on it, click on these settings. For you to make your text bigger or smaller on your Windows, this is what you're going to do right now. Click on the display. Once you have clicked on the display, wait for it to load up, right? Once it has opened up, you're going to click on here. Once you have clicked on it, you're going to see the text size. Click on it. Now you can see the text size preview. You can see how small things are appearing, right? So it's currently in the 100% preview show, right? So if I take it to 225, right, this is how things are going to be appearing. So you can make it bigger or smaller, right, from your own preferred choice. So this is the smallest, this is the biggest. So once you're done, just click on this apply. Boom, everything would come up immediately. So this is basically how you can make text bigger or smaller on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you on the very next one.